Roghnu's data anomaly analytics helps companies proactively monitor their Sage Intacct environment for best practices in risk management. This user transaction counts report lists users within each dataset, AR, AP, GL, and the number of transactions for that dataset. As you can see here on the left side, we have a matrix that begins with the dataset, GL, here, AR, AP, and then goes into the username. So we can easily see all of the users that have transactions in the GL table, and then what the number of those transactions are. Over here on the right, we begin with the users and then go into the data set. So we can easily look up a user, say Josh Castleman here, and easily see that he has transactions in GL, AR, and AP, and what the quantity or number of those transactions are. So why is this important? Well, for at least two reasons. First, it allows you to see how active users are in the data sets, which might involve overactivity that requires investigation. For example, here, Emma has over 3,000 transactions in the GL table. Maybe that's normal. Maybe it's not. Your data team would be attuned to something like that and could easily determine whether or not that is normal or if it's an outlier, and if it's an outlier, something worth investigating. Second, it may alert you to users who have transaction activity in data sets that they should not have access to. Let's just say, for example, that we see Owen Coop here has 12 transactions in the GL table, but maybe Owen is not supposed to have access to the GL table. So this would alert us that there's some restrictions that haven't been properly set in place. And you can determine that from either this table here, or if you're just looking up Owen Coop on this table, we see, oh, he has transactions in GL. He shouldn't have access to GL. So this report is especially useful in alerting your data team to these potential issues.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.